Welcome back everyone to the RM85 Derby Moped Dirt Ped build thing. Today I am going to strip it down to the frame and paint it. Please like and subscribe, buy me a coffee, do whatever. Thank you. Alright, got it all apart. Now I'm just going to clean it up, and yeah, I'm probably going to use some oven spray on it and I'm going to wipe it down. Alright, once you get all the grease off, just rinse it off, and then you're going to have to let it air dry for a while. Now that I got the frame all degreased and cleaned up, I go over the whole thing with steel wool just to loosen it up, get rid of any of the extra stuff, and to scuff up any paint that might still be a little glossy. There's nothing glossy on this frame, but I still just want to go over everything and make sure that it's nice and scratched a little, so that way my new primer will adhere to it. Alright, I am using Summit urethane 2-part. This is a 4-to-1 mixture. I'm going to mix the primer, the reducer, and the activator in here, and then I'm going to pour into this gun, and then I'm going to go spray it. Alright, I'm going to put on a mask because this stuff is pretty nasty. If you paint, you should wear a mask for sure. I will put a link to this gun. It is a low volume, high flow, which is different than a high volume, low flow. Wait, low volume? It uses less air pressure and more paint. Looks pretty decent to me, actually. Alright, the primer's all done. Now I can move on to the black color. Now I've got black, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. The primer actually turned out really good, even though I thought it was going to be kind of shitty. So I'm going to mix the primer, now I'm going to mix the gloss black, and I'll spray it, and I'll see you soon. Alright, I finished painting. I cleaned everything up with Xylene. I will post a link to the gun I use, the paint, and the kit. It's all pretty inexpensive and easy to do. Let's go look at the frame. It is now black. It's still a little bit tacky, but it's only been about 5 minutes. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I am done painting. I do still need to clean up. I'll do that off camera. I will put a link into the I will put a link for the gun I use, which is fairly inexpensive. I also use Xylene. You need Xylene to be able to clean up. And then I'll put a link to the paint I use. This is just really cheap Summit paint. I use it for black, white, and primer. If I want a custom paint, I will go to a paint shop, but this stuff's great for your base colors. Otherwise, you do need a kit with a little strainer and some measuring cups. These are nice because it says 1-to-1, 2-to-1-to-1, 3-to-1-to-1, 4-to-1-to-1. So depending on your paint, like this is a simple 4-to-1. You know exactly how much to pour in. It's easier than mixing 2-stroke oil. Okay. In my next video, I will be assembling the frame now that it's painted. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.